Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get auto petters in Stardew Valley. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So if you would like to retrieve him, all you have to do is first of all play the 1.5 or above version of Stardew Valley. Once you have accessed it, you can actually purchase him from Joja Mart. By paying around 50,000 gold, you will be able to purchase him and you are good to go. And for that, to do that, all you have to do is first of all complete the Joja community form. To acquire the Joja community development form, you have to give 5,000 gold to Morris. Once you have done so, you will simply will be able to get yourself a community development project, aka the form. This way, all you have to do is fill it accordingly, and then once you're done, you will be able to access Joja Mart and pay 50,000 gold, and you will be able to purchase the auto peter. And alternatively, you can also try to find him in the Skull Cavern treasure chest, where you will might be able to find him as well. But the easiest way would be simply for you to retrieve and fill up the form and simply purchase him from the Joja Mart by paying 50,000 gold. So that is the way to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.